Right, in this video we're going to look at what is actually impulse and what is momentum. A space capsule of mass 1400 kilograms is travelling in a straight line of a speed of 6 meters per second. Its rocket is fired for 10 seconds, exerting a force of 200 newtons. Find the velocity of the spacecraft if the force was directed in the same direction of the motion or in the opposite direction of the motion. So, if a force F newtons is applied for a time t seconds in a direction of motion to a particle of mass m kilograms, then the particle accelerates at a meters per second squared. The velocity of the particle increases from u meters per second to v meters per second. So using v is equal to u plus at, we're going to have that a is v minus u over t. From Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. So that now gives that F is equal to m times v minus u over t, or rearranging, Ft is equal to mv minus mu. Now, F times t, force times the time, is called the impulse, and mass times velocity is called the momentum. The units will be newtons per second. So, in the first case, we've got the m is 1400 kilograms, u is 6 meters per second, t is 10 seconds, and the force is 200 newtons. So the impulse will be the force times the time. So it's going to be 200 times 10, which is going to give me 2000 newton seconds. Now, u is 6 meters per second, so the initial momentum is mu. So that's going to be equal to 14,000 times 6, the mass times the initial velocity, which gives me 8,400 newton seconds. We require v, so using Ft is equal to mv minus mu, which I just derived for you, and we've got the impulse. We're going to have that 2000 is equal to 14,000 v minus 8,400. Rearranging, we're going to get 10,400 is equal to 1,400 v, and therefore v will be 7.43 meters per second. When the force is in the opposite direction, it will be the same, but I'll take F as minus 200 newtons. So Ft will be mv minus mu. So minus 2000 will be 1,400 v minus 8,400. So it's the same as what we had up here, except we have now minus because it's going in the opposite direction. So taking that over there, adding, we get 6,400 is equal to 1,400 v, and therefore v will be 4.57 meters per second. Okay, so this has been a video where we've introduced the idea of impulse and momentum. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.